Gucci, see me loopy. I can let a nigga shoot me. I'm in a two-seat. And before I speak about it, rather grab it loosely. Dirty crib at a dip if I'm in a hoopty. And we spin a hot block with a mini Uzi. Had to send a couple shots, I've been acting bougie. All of a sudden, all these stars let me in their Gucci. They gon' make they pussy pop, tryna get my blue cheese. Low key.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nyla, and today I'm here with my aunt. She has her own channel. Tell me your name.
It's Upscale Lace Wigs. No, Upscale Hair on YouTube. Upscale Lace Wigs on Instagram. And I'm Shemika Jackson.
And she has her own YouTube and her own hair company and all that stuff. So I'll put all that stuff in the description box. I'll put all that in the description box below. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be bleaching a lace with the help of my aunt. Because I'm not too good at this stuff yet. But she's going to teach me, and y'all going along with me. So what we're going to be using is this Quick Blue L'Oreal Bleach. And then, I forgot this called already. Developer Volume 30. Okay. Let's get into it. So we're going to use half a cup of the L'Oreal. Half a scoop, yeah. Half a scoop. That's how much we're using. Alright. So now we're gonna want this to be thick, like peanut butter. So we're just gonna pour some in. Hey, look at that. Okay, think this is good?
Yep.
Alright, now it's time to bleach the legs. Focus the starting part.
So it really just depends on how much you're doing. Like if you're doing a closure versus a full lace wig versus a frontal. This should be enough. You're probably just gonna be making it. So you want to make sure all the hair is pulled back. If you need clips.
You don't want to put like a towel or something right here?
Right, I could. Let me go get one.
Now we're about to add bleach to the lace.
Right. So I was saying off the camera that I wanted to share with Nyla today is that this is the front of the frontal, right? That whole front piece. She's gonna bleach the whole front part, but you don't have to bleach the whole front part. You can do just the part where you normally do a part in the front hairline. So if she wanted to, she can just do right here. Hopefully you guys can see. Right here, all the way to here, to the other side, which is the ear to ear. And then the first 2 inches and just this top part where you normally do a part at. You don't have to do these other sides, it's up to you. It is nicer, but what happens is the more you bleach, the more you're weakening the hair that's on there, and it's easier for it to shed and things like that. Not to say you can't do it, I'm just telling you up front that that's what happens when you do a lot of bleaching on the whole frontal. So that's just my mommy education going on right now. But so she'll understand like when she start wearing a lot more frontals. So go ahead, Nava. You scared?
Calm down, we'll mess it up.
Well, when you wash it off? Yeah. You're gonna wash the whole unit and condition it and stuff. So the rest of the bleach, I wish I had something else to bleach, but we don't need nothing for that. So we'll be right back. And how long now?
10 minutes. Okay, y'all. So it's been 10 minutes, and now she's going to wash it. I'm gonna get bleach in my hands and stuff, and mess up my nails. All right. So, this is what it looks like before. So I'm about to go wash it with this shampoo right here called Shimmer Lights.
5 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna let this sit. And then we're gonna wash the whole wig and condition it. All right, right now we're gonna just leave this on for 5 minutes. All right.
She just washed it out. See how dark it is? Feel me? It looks more natural. Yeah, it looks way better than I was looking before.
So we're gonna just put a little bit of leave-in conditioner in it.
How many inches is this?
20.
I need some 20.
And then we're gonna let it air dry. And then we're gonna show you what it looks like on a mannequin. We can show you what it looks like on a mannequin. Want to see it now?
Yeah, come on.
All right.
Alright, so now we're going to add some of this olive oil mango butter foam. It's kind of mousse, basically mousse. We're gonna put some on like her hairline. You know what I'm saying? Whoops. This is harder than it looks. Okay, some more. This is what they put on your braids after they get done. Be making your braids feel like weird. Alright, so now I'm gonna comb it back to give you that look. We're just gonna start moving. Okay, so now since I've combed it back and I put the mousse in it, the knots are lighter and it looks more natural. You zoom in on it. This is what the side looks like. This side. This is what the middle looks like. As you see, it looks very natural. Show this side. See how light they look. Your wig should look like this at all times. If it looks another way, then so then, now we're gonna get a scarf to lay it down, and then that would be it.
Good job, Nyla. You just bleached your first lace front wig.
Thanks.
Good job, honey.
Thank you. I'm excited.
Gucci, see me loopy. I can't let a nigga shoot me. I'm in a two-seat. And before I speak about it, rather grab a loose leaf. Dirty clip, but a dip if I'm in a hoopty. And we spin the hot block with a mini Uzi. Had to send a couple shots, I've been acting bougie. All of a sudden, all these stars let me in their Gucci. They gon' make they pussy pop, tryna get my blue cheese. Low key, I be